Okay, we are now inside of our project, our CreateSlice from our reducer. We'll go ahead and create another function for deleting a user or for removing a user from the list. So we'll go ahead and create it. Let me just say filtered user. Okay, can name it whatever you want, as always. Take the state and the action. Then okay, you can run an if check to check if, but right now I want to just make it simple and fast. So say our state dot filter will filter okay view. I will filter based on say view based on the ID with underscore ID is equal to if it is equals to if it is equal to action period dot underscore ID. If it is equal to say state.filter will return an array that matches the text, that matches the condition. So we are checking user.id if it's equals to action.payload. So it will filter where we return an array of the one that matches the array. So right now this will get the array, and here we want to be able to drop that one that matches the text, that matches the statement, that matches the condition. We want to drop it. So that this is what this line will find the array that matches the text, and it will drop the array to drop that object from the array and return us a new array of other text. Okay, so as I'm saying, then now I will now say it is a variable. So I'm using const because I'm not planning to change the variable. So that is why I'm using const filtered state. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. But I'm just making filtered state so that it will like explain what this variable does. Okay, once we are filtered, then we can just go ahead and return state equals to the filtered state. So the one that is filtered, then I'm overwriting it to the state. So as always, we can go ahead and export this our function, the user. Filtered user. You can go ahead and export it inside of this function as an action. Export it as an action. Then we'll go ahead and import it here, right, so that we can use it. Filtered user. Go ahead and create another function. It's just like a repeated something of what we have already done, but a little bit of logic of syntax, change of new syntax. So you can say filtered user. I'm making this unique names so that it will not override the existing ones we have. So let me just for faster video, just copy this to make it because of the video. Don't want to waste much of your time. So you can see now based on their filter, we don't need much of the data. We only need the ID. And now this is the ID of, we are passing an ID of 2. Okay, ID of 2. Then dispatch, dispatch function, which is coming from the use dispatch. The dispatch, then say filter user, then pass the argument, one argument. Okay, then we copy this our function for, then we listen for an click event to trigger the dispatch function, and say, let's say delete user. Then we listen for an click event to trigger this filtered user handler. You get it? You can go ahead now and do the testing. You know the page. You can see the delete user button inside it. So you can, let's say, add one, update one, then let's delete. You want to delete this first one from the array. Okay, it's not working. So what are we doing wrong here? Let's check to see. You can go ahead and console.log our filter. Filter state and what is it called? Okay, let's just say check to know where it's coming from. Then I will also, okay, actions of payload, and I will also print out my action. Let me see the action I'm getting. Let's see action. Okay, so if I click on delete, you can see the action is coming from an ID of 1. Okay, let's click on add, click on okay. This is the data we are getting, payload underscore ID. Okay, and here we are checking action.payload and filter. Okay, so what are we doing wrong here? Okay, so you can see when we test again to see the changes. We test again, add, update, then I delete. Oh, it's not deleting it's not removing this John object from the list. Why is it? Okay, our code, yeah, this is our code. We are checking, we are finding against and dropping the one that matches the condition, and we are updating it back to the state. Okay, this is it. Oh, okay, now I see the problem. I see the issue now. So one way we can do it is this, is that now we only have one state inside of the array. We only have one state. One we only Now we only have an array inside of the state. So in array application, normally you want to have multiple multiple values inside of the array, multiple values inside of a state instead of a single array. So what we do is this: we combine it, we add multiple other array to form our components. What we do is that I'm going to add another, so I will just name this user. Let me just name this user, then name maybe value, because we'll be using it. Okay, I just name this I can just give this a value of, let's just say, yes, let me just give it a value of 0. Okay, and these are the changes we made. I can go ahead and tweak our data. If not, you will see our page is lost, so we can go ahead and recover them. We can go ahead and add the user so that we can push. So go ahead and just be adding user, find with user, so I can go ahead. Then here also user. Then the last is for our state, so that our state can listen. Then the user, listing for the user. Okay, so with this we have our data pack. So we can go ahead and edit and edit. Okay, when we click on delete, nothing changed. Why is that? Still same stuff. Okay, let's go back and recheck our code. Okay, it's our component. We are dropping it. We are dropping the object that matches the array, and we are returning the object that matches the condition. We are returning it. Okay, so what are we doing here? Let me give it one more try. Whoa, it's not still working. What is what?